In this video, I will show you how to recover your chess.com account if you forgot your password. So simply open up chess.com. Now in this login page, simply click on login. Here it will ask you for your phone number, email or username. If you have forgotten your password, then what you can do is click on forgot password right below this login with Facebook. After that, you can enter either your username, your email or your phone number. For now, I'm going to try with my email. Then click on submit. Once you submit it, you will get the email from chess.com in your mail. Click on it. There you might find verification code or you might find a prompt to reset your password. Simply click on it, reset your password and then try logging in again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.